The field of software development is constantly evolving, and there are numerous technologies that are widely used and in high demand. Here are some of the top software development technologies to learn. 1. Programming languages. JavaScript. Widely used for web development and can be used for both front-end and back-end development. Python. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is used in various domains, including web development, data science, and automation. Java. A popular language for building enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and server-side development. C#. Used for building Windows applications, web development with ASP.NET, and game development with Unity. TypeScript. A superset of JavaScript that adds static typing, making it easier to build large-scale JavaScript applications. 2. Web development frameworks. React. A JavaScript library for building user interfaces, commonly used for building single-page applications. Angular. A full-featured framework for building complex web applications maintained by Google. Vue.js. A lightweight JavaScript framework for building user interfaces, often used for smaller projects or as an alternative to React and Angular. 3. Mobile app development. Swift. The programming language used for building iOS and macOS applications. Kotlin. A modern programming language used for developing Android applications. React Native. A framework for building cross-platform mobile apps using JavaScript and React. 4. Backend development. Node.js. A runtime environment for executing JavaScript code on the server side, used for building scalable web applications and APIs. Django. A high-level Python web framework known for its simplicity and rapid development capabilities. Ruby on Rails. A web framework written in Ruby, which emphasizes convention over configuration and enables rapid development. 5. Cloud computing. Amazon Web Services, AWS, a comprehensive cloud platform offering various services like storage, compute, databases, and more. Microsoft Azure. Similar to AWS, Azure provides a wide range of cloud services for building, deploying, and managing applications. Google Cloud Platform, GCP, another cloud platform offering various services for building and scaling applications. 6. Data science and machine learning. Python libraries. NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch are popular libraries for data manipulation, analysis, and machine learning. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list, and the technologies you choose to learn should depend on your interests, career goals, and the specific needs of the projects you are working on. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to new technologies as they emerge in the industry.